Hello everyone, welcome back to Talented Developer. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to read the content of a file. So in the last tutorial, we have seen how to get the current working directory. So we'll try to use some code from that earlier video and we'll try to read the content of a file. So first of all, we need a file. So this is the current working directory. You can put the file at any location, but I'm going to put inside the SRC. So you can just click on new and select text file and give the file name here as a ABC, and you can double click and you can add the content. I am going to add some random character. So this is the current file. It is inside my working directory. So just try to refresh. You can see this is the file. So first of all, we need to get the file location. So what you can do, I'm just going to use the old video approach. So here I'm using system.getProperty and I'm passing user.dir. Using this one, I will get the current working directory. You can pass directly static path also, that is also fine. So in our case, our file will be inside the SRC and this is the file name. So what you can do, just use plus sign double quotes SRC and our file name will be abc.txt. This is the extension of a file. If you want to know just what you can do, just right click and go to property and you can see the extension of the file. So now try to run. If you run, you will get the exact location. In case if the file location is wrong during the content reading, definitely you'll get file not found exception. Now we have to read all the line from a file. So definitely we are going to use here list. So the type will be here string and you can give the variable name as here lines. Now what you have to do, you have to use here files class and this will come from java.neo.file package. So what you can do, just use here files dot read all lines and here you have to pass the file location, but make sure you have to pass here path. So what you can do, just you can expand this one and here use here paths dot get. So here you have to pass the URI, that means the path location. Now you can import this one. So whenever you try to do any file operation, you have to make sure to declare the error type or you can use try and catch. So I'm just going to use here try and catch. So you can see whenever any error will come, this catch will execute. So if the program will run fine, we'll get all the content inside this variable. Now we have to iterate. So what you can do, just use here for loop and here you can do a string line and you can pass here lines list and just use your sys out and try to print your line. Now you can run. So you can see current working directory. It is coming from line number 12 and from line number 17 we are getting two line of content and you can also cross check here. This is the content of a file. Now you can add some another line and what you can do, this time you can comment that line and again you can run. So you can see we are getting all the content. So if you put here breakpoint and if you again run in debug mode, so you can see we are getting all the data and here size is what 7 and all the element data is here, you can see. So this is a way to get all the content, but what you can do, instead of just passing the file location, so try to make sure to use character set utf underscore 8 because it will help you in the encoding of character and this utf-8 will ensure the file is read using utf-8 encoding and prevent potential issue with character interpretation. So what you can do, just come and use the comma and try to use a standard character set dot utf-8. So if you run, you will get same output, but it will help you in the encoding department. In next video we are going to see how to append some data in the existing file. So that's it for the day.